In this video, I'm gonna tell you why you need to start approaching and meeting girls today. Because think about it. Let's say you want to learn boxing, right? And then to learn boxing, you don't learn how to play guitar, right? So if you want to learn boxing, you need to know how to punch, the different punches, what are you doing? And you don't sit there and play guitar and say, yeah, I'm gonna play guitar now so long that I'm gonna be good at boxing after. That's not working, man. What are you thinking? Look, most men make so many excuses and procrastinate on meeting girls and asking me, hey Phil, what activities can I do to be more social? What do you think? You have to talk to people. It's a skill. Social skills and dating is a skill that you need to learn. And if you don't have it, you will live a miserable, unhappy, lonely, depressed and frustrated life, and it doesn't go away. Guess what? So look, social skills is a skill that you need to learn. You have to talk to a lot of people. You have to get the reference experiences. You have to find and see the different reactions, good reactions, bad reactions, neutral reactions, how are girls reacting to your approach, how is the body language, how is the facial expressions, and you just have to go through the motions, and that's how you get good. You look at what you've done, you analyze, you improve, you maybe learn some new routines or pickup lines or things to say, and then you implement it, you go out, you meet girls, and then you see your reactions, and then you see if your game improved or no. There is no, you're going to play guitar so you get good at boxing. You have to learn and meet a lot of girls to get good at talking to girls. Stop making excuses. And then number 2, it's no done for you business. Look, it would actually be great, and I probably could charge a lot more if I would just go up to the girls and you bang them, right? Wouldn't that be great? I go up, I talk to them, and then, so that's my friend. You can now sleep with him if you want, right? Do you think that's happening? No, because you have to have the character and the personality that she wants to be with you. I can't go up to the girls and tell them, hey, look, that's my friend. Be with him. Yeah, and I know a lot of businessmen are watching my channel and they are running a business, they are building something. So you are ambitious, right? And you are in your career, in your job, and you want to optimize and you analyze and you're trying to make your life better because you work on your body, on your money and your finances. But I'm telling you, there is no done for you. There is no, you can hire a marketing agency that is running your Facebook ads or any other advertisement and bringing you clients. I can't bring you the girls. You have to go up to her. You have to make her laugh. You have to make her smile. You have to make her like you, that she wants to spend time with you. I can give you all the instructions, what you need to do, what you need to say, how to dress, your body language, and how you can basically increase your chances that she will react good to you, even if you're not really good looking, even if you're someone that thinks that looks is the only thing that matters. I can help you with that, but you have to do it on your own. Look, it's raining a little here, but I'm doing this video for you because that was also my attitude when I learned all this. You know, I said, look, I'm given this size. I didn't like my height. I was actually in a nightclub. I would be walking around on tiptoes like this. So I'm like same height than the girls, right? So I was really insecure about my height. I was insecure about my looks, and I was generally a very insecure person. And also I got bullied at school. So this didn't make it any better. But I'm telling you, you need to do, and I had this mindset that I need to do whatever it takes. You know, I said, look, I'm gonna travel the world. I moved to Australia with 19. I moved to the other side of the world to get this done. I was reading books, online courses. I paid mentors. I spent a lot of money to learn this from guys in the US. You probably know them, Julian, Max, Owen, Tyler, everyone. I met them in person and I learned from them. And I said, I'm going to do whatever it takes to get good at this. And here I am 12 years later, and I'm meeting girls, OnlyFans models, Instagrams models in my bedroom. And I basically have them in my life because I'm charismatic and because I'm confident and because I got over all my insecurities and because I said, look, this is not going to stop me. My height is not going to stop me. And if I'm dealing with this, how I'm looking right now, I'm just gonna make the best out of it. And then I can do this. Because you also need to think, if you're like, yeah, but you're only saying this because you're good looking now. I just had this other guy, he was like taller than me, and he said, yeah, but now you're trained, you know, you get the girls because you're good looking. And I'm like, hey, you serious, man? I still get rejected. I still have approach anxiety or sometimes feel awkward with girls, but I'm doing it anyways. Look, you want girls? Go and talk to them. You don't want girls? Go on BoobTube, right? You know what I'm talking about. It's your choice, man. No one cares if you have girls in your life or no. It's up to you if you want to have women and friends and a social circle, if you want to be positive or negative. It's up to you. I'm standing here in the rain and I'm shooting this video for you because I know how it feels and I know the pain and I know the overthinking and constant overanalysis, and I know that you are procrastinating and that you just don't execute and that you're always postponing and you say, when I reach this, when I reach the dream body, when I reach this, then I'm gonna do this. When I have the business, when I have 1 million subscribers on YouTube, then I'm gonna maybe approach a girl, you know? Look, there is no activities that can teach you and that can help you to learn the skill of socializing. You see someone, yes, you're nervous, accept it, go and talk to her. That's it. It's easy. You just have to do it. And that's what I always did. And I'm still doing it. You know, I see a girl and I don't want to do it. Everyone in my body is saying, no, don't do it. You can't get rejected. And it's instinctive. You know, it doesn't go away. So you just have to do it. Look, man, men are so afraid of talking to women that they much rather join the military, to move to another country, to fight for their country instead of talking to a woman. Most men cannot approach a woman when they see them. They're like tensing up and, oh, no, she's busy and making up all these excuses. She's old, she's too young, you know. Stop making excuses, man. Men join the salsa club because they think they can get women there, you know? You have to learn the skill of flirting. It's a skill. There is no way around. And I can teach you to do all this. I can teach you how to be funny, how to make her laugh like this, how to physically escalate, how to always know what to say to spike different emotions in her. There's like 20 things, 30 things that I can say. And I know how to talk to girls, how to talk to their friends. And I know how to meet women. And it's a skill. And I put my life into it. I've been working as a club and party promoter for 3 years, not because I wanted to be a club and party promoter, but I knew because I'm gonna be in so many social interactions that after that, I know how to do this. And now I don't even have to do it anymore. I went from total loser, low self-esteem, not knowing what to say, to selling party tickets to a group of 30 people. I went from not feeling worthy of any girl, not feeling worthy of sex, to meeting Instagram models and the next day another one. You understand? It's easy when you know how to do it, but most men quit before it gets fun. And you have to learn how to talk to girls, go in so many social interactions until this gets fun. So think about it. If you do what you're doing right now, not taking action, procrastinating, making excuses, not putting in the work, blaming others, blaming your looks, blaming all these things, where are you gonna be? What about this? Let's say you take the next 2 years of your life and you constantly approach 30 girls a week. That's 1,560 girls a week. And then in 2 years, so that's almost 3,000 girls, you will get laid as a byproduct of that a lot. You will make a lot of friends, you'll build your social skills, you'll build your charisma, you will have a lot of fun, a lot of personal growth and confidence building up in you, but you have to put in the work. So what do you want to do? This is up to you. And by the way, I got people to help me with this. I asked people, hey, what do I need to do? What do I need to say? I was watching free YouTube videos and I was watching all this content and I was writing down every single thing they said because I didn't have any money. But I was committed and I said I'm gonna do whatever it takes to learn this skill, to get this skill down, because then I can focus on the things. Do you want to be 40, 50 and then, looking back at your life and, okay, I didn't meet any girls, I didn't meet the girls I want? You will live a life full of regret. And that's up to you, and you can decide what you want to do. I also know how hard it is, and I can help you to learn this skill a lot faster because I've been doing this for a really long time. And if you want me to help you with this, if you want to go from no self-esteem to high self-esteem, and if you want me to show you every single step that you need to take, then my friend, apply now for a free consultation call with me and my team. And someone friendly is going to call you and we'll analyze your situation, find out if and how we can help you and maybe give you a few tips. And then you can decide if you're a good fit, want to join a coaching program of us. And then, my friends, subscribe to this channel, comment your thoughts on this, and then see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I wanted.